Hello and welcome back to another trend recap, y'all. You see what's on your screen: two executions, one loss, and then one dub, leaving us green in the day. So if you're trying to take trades like me and win like this, join that Discord in the description, and soon I'll be teaching how when I get a little bit more free time. But anyways, join the Discord. Have any questions about anything that I trade, anything I do, just yeah, man, join the Discord, shoot me a message, and I'll throw an answer at you. But down to business. Two trades today, one loss, one win, leaves us green in the day. That's why we trade with high RR, 4.8 R, and then we are looking for a 6R almost immediately off of open. Talk about wishful thinking. But anyways, let's start breaking down this chart. Whole lot of boxes. I'll make it a lot less confusing in a second. As you can see, yesterday we closed above our day's high, which means we want this day's high to also be reached. And we did that overnight. During the London session, we reached for that high and we swept it out and tapped into this daily order block up here. Which is also an hourly order block if you look at it. But there's also an hourly order block, but that's not what we traded off of. So we see it tap off the daily order block and then start to move downwards. That gives us our confluence going into the day that either A, we're going to continue to the downside, or B, we're going to look for a reversal at some level. So as you can see with my longs, in a bearish market, I was looking for that reversal. When market opened, big drop. The market open drop was bigger than the news candle. So we had, what did we have this morning at 8:30? Unemployment claims and retail sales. Yeah, retail sales month over month, year over year. And they're like on Forex Factory, they're rated as high impact news, but realistically, they're not that high impact. As you can see, even on both of the indexes, like 8:30 is not that big of a candle compared to that market open candle. ES was a bit more tame with market open, but again, NQ absolutely ripped through. So we didn't really catch any SMT that was like really, obvious to us that would start the reversal. We had we're already down on the 5 minute. We come down to the 1 minute for this first trade. My confluence here was we were trading within this hourly fair value gap, this green box here. This hourly fair value gap, right? And then we also had made a 5 minute rejection block that I believe that we were respecting, because you see we were delivering out of it. With that in mind, I was waiting for a CISD out of that rejection block and then entering off the retest of that. So on the 1 minute, we have this CISD here along with the CISD being aligned on this 3 minute chart here. So on the 3 minute and the 1 minute, we have the CISD plus 8:30 open above. That gave me confluence to go that we were going to go higher, but unfortunately we did not. So ran straight through our stop, continued to trade within this fair value gap, and I believe we inversed it. Let's see, where did 10 o'clock close, or 9? Oh shit. Let's see, did we invert? We did inverse it with that 9 a.m. candle. So that was pretty obvious looking into the morning. Like, we should have seen all the order blocks and things that we were delivering from on the higher time frame and know that we were gonna distribute lower before we set up a reversal or anything like that. And I foolishly thought, what is this? Oh my gosh, dude, I hate this. Messes up my box. 80 points. I thought that was our distribution leg. Yeah, about 80 points. So 80, 90 points. I thought that was our distribution leg, when of course it's not. It's always going to be like 100 plus points. Like, this is NQ we're dealing with here. But we redeemed ourselves later on. Down here, I'm gonna go really quick. Down here we have a 5-minute rejection block. We have engineered liquidity here and here. And seeing that we swept this here and then still didn't hit the CE and made more liquidity there, that gave me enough confluence to go take it directly off the level of that CE. Didn't wait for a confirmation or anything. My original take profit was going to be this CE of this rejection block, but as you can see, I would have been wicked out and then stop break even over here. So unfortunately, more like fortunately, we decided when we saw it reacting with this 1-minute rejection block, along with the bottom of that 5-minute rejection block from earlier. When we saw rejecting there, I was like, okay, I don't think we're gonna be trading much higher than this. At least not within the next 30 minutes or so, because I don't like to stay in trades forever. If I can, I'll try to just be in a trade, short term, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I think the longest I've ever been in a trade is like 30 minutes. So I'm not one to try to sit and hold for ages and ages. I'll take what the market will give me. And what it gave me was a nice little day. So that gives us, I believe, like puts us up 170 on the day. We go account summary 174, and that across 3 accounts. It's like 5 something. So pretty happy with today. Things I could have done better. Maybe try to rush this trade up here. Let the market show its hand before we try to, start taking advantage of it. But yeah, glad we made it out of today break even. I mean, well, not break even, but $100 is $100. But that does count towards the days of profit needed for a withdrawal on the accounts. So that's a plus, I guess. Yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Hope y'all made some money today, and yeah, man, peace out.